place the Supreme Court of India, and the target directly the Modi government and the Election Commission's wall, which the Supreme Court's bulldozer is now ready to destroy. Friends, this is not a small news. Don't make the mistake of thinking this is just a notice. This notice is going to become a bone stuck in the throat of the Modi government and the Election Commission, a bone they can neither swallow nor spit out. The Supreme Court has asked a direct question: whether the Chief Election Commissioner Act 2023 that you made, why have you distributed so much power, so much security and so much immunity to the election commissioners? Is this the law of the land or an agreement of a gang? Listen very closely. What is the matter? The matter is about the fear that was haunting the Modi government. In 2023, inside the parliament, a game was played in the name of smart politics. The summary of this law is simple. Whatever decision the Chief Election Commissioner and his two partners takes, even if it is wrong, even if it is to make a specific party win, or even if it is destroy the constitution, no court at any time can run a case against them. Yes, you heard it right. If you kill someone, you go to jail. If you steal tax, ED comes for you. But if the election commissioner kills the country's mandate, they are forgiven by law. And the funniest part, this protection is not just while they are on the chair. No, this protection is for a lifetime, even after retirement. Until they go to the grave, nobody can touch them. Now use your brain. Why did the Modi and Shah government need to give such a big safety shield to their favorite officers? Did they know in advance that these officers were going to do such a scandal, for which they might face jail time in the future? When the issue was raised in the Supreme Court, Chief Justice Surya Kant's bench was also shocked. The petitioner Jaya Thakur said boldly in court, "My lord, even the constitution does not give such safety to the president or judges. Then who are these gods named Gyanesh Kumar and his partners who have been kept above the law?" Friends understood the game. This whole matter looks like give and take. The government say, you make us win the election, we will save you from the law. You keep your eyes closed on EVMs, we will keep the court doors closed. You send notices to the opposition, we will give a Z plus legal safety even after retirement. But this is just the beginning, because there is another character in this story who gave a warning that must be ringing in the ears of these officers today, and that name is Rahul Gandhi. Do you remember what Rahul Gandhi said during and after the elections? It was not just a political statement. It was an open threat, a legal ultimatum. Rahul Gandhi said it clearly. I am quoting him, "Feel the weight of his words. People of the Election Commission, listen to me carefully. You are not a separate institution. You are not working for the BJP, and we are noting everything down. The day the government changes, we will take action, and we will take such a strong action that no officer will dare to betray the constitution again." And listen, Rahul did not stop there. He said one more thing that is enough to ruin the sleep of the officers today. If you think you will retire and get away with it, do not be in misunderstanding. We will find you. Even if you are sitting at home after retirement, you will have to answer for every single decision. Just think about the mental state of the election commissioners watching this show on his drawing room today. On one side, there is the Supreme Court notice saying, "Son, we can snatch this shield away." And on the other side, Rahul Gandhi is warning that the moment government changes, file will open, meaning devil on one side, deep sea on the other. The safety on which these officers played the game of yes master, no master, that very safety is now in danger. Come, let's go into a flashback. Where did the disease start? It started the day the Modi government threw the Supreme Court's order of 2nd March 2023 into the dustbin. The Supreme Court had said to select the election commissioners, a committee will be made. It will have 3 people: the Prime Minister, the leader of opposition, and the Chief Justice of India, CJI. This was a perfect balance, a guaranteed fairness. But Modi and Shah could not digest this fairness. They feared If the CGI stays in the committee, how will they make their puppet the election commissioner? So what did they do? 21st December 2023, a new law was passed in Parliament, and in the law, they kicked the Chief Justice out of the committee. And who did they bring in his place? A cabinet minister. Now understand the math of committee. There is a classic example of match fixing. First Prime Minister Modi ji, cabinet minister Modi's man, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi alone. How will the decision be made? 2 votes for government, 1 vote for opposition. Oh brother, when the result is already known, why the drama of a meeting? Just say directly that we want to seat our own man. When Rahul Gandhi went to that meeting, he said the same thing. When 2 people have already decided the outcome, what is the point of third person? And he left a dissent note and walked out. And from this fixed match, our current election commissioners were chosen, Gyanish Kumar and Sukhbir Sandhu. Now you tell me, the person who sat on the chair with this kind of setting, can you accept him to send a notice to Modi ji? Will he stop Amit Shah's speech? No, friends. He will do exactly what his master says. And what gift did the master give in return? The gift of section 16. Go son, live your life, do whatever you want. No court can touch even a hair of your head. But the Supreme Court has woken up. The petitioner told the court that this section is the murder of Article 14, right of equality. How can you make a government servant a god? Is the election commissioners above the law of the country? When the CGI's bench issued the notice, the meaning is clear. The court also feels that something is not just fishy, the whole ocean is black. Now understand the consequences. If the Supreme Court cancels this law in the coming day, if the court says this lifetime protection is unconstitutional, then what will happen? Then all those decisions taken in the past elections, all those complaints that were thrown in the dustbin, that Indore scandal, that uncontested election in Surat, cases can be filed on all of them. And then there neither Modi's armor will work nor the law made by Parliament. Then why will have to face the Constitution of India? They will have to face the Constitution of India. Friends, the question is not who will win. The question is, will you keep watching our democracy become a joke in front of your eyes? This legal battle that has started is a wake-up call for the Modi government. They thought they had kept the system in their pocket, but the Constitution of India is not a piece of paper that fits in anyone's pockets. In the end, I will just say this: power comes and goes, chair keeps changing, but officers who place their dignity at the feet of the king, history never forget them.